All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 3, Lesson 9, Conditions for Triangle Similarity. We have one goal here. I can explain why angle-angle triangle similarity theorem works. So if we have corresponding angles, two sets of them, that are congruent in two similar triangles, then that guarantees that they're similar. We want to know why. We still have the same word, similar, as our main vocabulary that we're looking at. Remember, that's taking a rigid transformation and a dilation to take one figure on top of another to show their angles and everything matches up. All right, so our warm-up is, how could you justify each statement? So I have 4 statements here, 2 statements with these figures and 2 statements with these figures, and I want you to explain how you can justify that each of them is correct. So put it into your own words, bring it tomorrow, and that'll start our discussion. So we have QRP here with 2 and 3 for side lengths, and these angles are congruent. We have Q prime, R prime, P prime, where Q and R are congruent, Q prime and R prime, and we have 1 and 1.5 for 2 lengths. And we have T, U, S, where T and U are congruent, and 1 for a length and 1.5 for a length. So our statements are, triangle P prime, Q prime, R prime is congruent to triangle STU. So this triangle here is congruent to that one. Justify it in some way. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle STU. So PQR here, this one on the left, is similar to this one on the right. Please come up with a way to justify that. Then we have the exact same idea going on in the second one, just in a little bit different order. Triangle G prime, H prime, I prime is congruent to triangle MNO. So G prime, H prime, I prime right here is congruent to MNO. Please look at the angles and what's congruent and the sides. And then in 4, we have triangle GHI is similar to triangle MNO. So come up with a way to show or justify that these statements are accurate. Please bring your reasoning to class tomorrow. That'll start our discussion. Thanks.